Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 7 of Tableau Desktop Specialist series. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming and interesting videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. From this video, I'm going to start domain 3, that is sharing insight, which contains 25% of the questions, and you will expect 11 to 12 questions from this domain. And this domain is divided into three parts. First one is format view for presentation. Second is create and modify a dashboard. And third one is view and share the workbook. Okay, so these are the topic to focus, that are check mark card, valid ways to show mark label in the view, how to add color, check out the file name where we add custom color, how to make font bold in multiple ways, how to use shape, how to add custom shape, animation, why we use animation, and default duration time of animation, and check about the legends properties and like sorting, order, reverse, etc. And in the create and modify dashboard, check out the dashboard size, elements, dashboard objects, dashboard layout, dashboard divide types, tiled versus floating, dashboard action, create story. Okay, and in the view and share workbook data, check out Tableau extension. There are various type of extensions available in the Tableau. Check out all and their properties, embedded versus published data source, and what are the options Tableau support while exporting a worksheet as an image. So Tableau support is for file type, that is JPG, .jpge, .png, .bmp. What are the dashboard export options available in the Tableau and ways to copy worksheet or dashboards. Okay, so let's discuss some of the questions for this. First question for this video is, what are the different ways to show mark label in the view? Select all apply. Options are drag field to text of the mark card, from analysis menu, show mark label, from worksheet menu, show mark label, clicking, show mark label on the toolbar. Let's try it. Let's drag category and drag. Okay, so first one is we can drag the profit into the text label of the mark card. So this is one way. Second way is we can click on the analysis and show mark label. Okay. So this is how you can show the marks label by two ways. Let's see what are the option matching with this. So drag field to the text of the mark card, that is right one. And from analysis menu, show mark label. Okay. So option A and B are correct. Next question is, you need to access option to change a dimension color palettes. In addition to the marks card, what else you can use? Options are edit in shelf, edit caption, the format menu, the color legends. Okay, let's drag category into the colors. So first one is we can edit the color from the marks menu. And the second option is we can use our color legend. From here we can go to its edit color. Okay, and from here also we can edit the color. Let's say if we want to assign this for furniture, we want to assign green, so we can click on it. So the right option is color legend. Okay, that is our option D. Next question is, how can you access option to apply bold formatting to an axis in the view? Options are select text on the mark card, select field label from the format menu, right click on the field and then select format, right click on the axis. Okay, so let's try it. So here we are having the axis. We can right click on it, go to format, and then go to axis, then go to font, and when we click on it bold, you can see our axis is bold now. Okay, so this is the right option. Right click on the axis and then format. So the right option is right click on the axis. That is our option D. Next question is, what are the multiple ways to access bolding option for the text in the tooltip? Options are hover over a mark, and press Ctrl plus B, hover over a mark and press Alt plus F. Right click on the field and then select Format. Select Worksheet on the menu and then select Tooltip. Select Tooltip on the mark card and select Format on the menu, then select Font. Let's try it one by one each. So as when we hover on it, you can see if we try Ctrl plus B, that doesn't make any impact. Okay, if we try Alt plus F, that also doesn't make any impact. When we press it, it will open the file options. Okay, so both are wrong answer. Next one is we can click on the tooltip option that is present under the mark, and from here we can select it and make it to bold. So this is option one. Okay, as you can see now it becomes bold. Let me reset it again. Okay, now you can see it is normal. When we click on the worksheet from the menu bar, and if we go to the tooltip, we'll get the same option. And when we click on it, we can click on the bold and we can preview it. You can see now it becomes bold. Okay, so this is also right options. And next option is go to the format, click on the font, and from here when we go to the tooltip and select on the bold, it becomes bold. Okay, and the next one is when we right click on the field, go to format. So we comes to the same point. Let me just cut it and try it again. So right click on it, go to format, and if we go to that here, we can also use the same option, that is bolding option. So this is also a right option. Okay, so the right answer for this question is C, D, E, and F. Next question is, does Tableau allows to add custom color? Options are yes and no. The right answer is yes, we can add custom color. We'll discuss one more question based on this in the upcoming questions. Okay. Next question is, which statements are correct? Select two. Use shape for categorical values. Use shape for quantitative values. Use bar for categorical values. Use bars for quantitative value. Use a maximum of different 7 shape. Let's try it. Let's cut it down and change it to shape. Let's drag category and drag category in the shapes. So you can use shape for the categorical values to differentiate between them. So this is right options. And let's remove this and add profit and profit in the shape as well. So this is wrong answer because if we use the bar, we are not able to differentiate between the values because this is quantitative values. Okay, so this is wrong answer. Use bar for categorical values. So if we select this and click on the bar, you can see there is a this is not an efficient way, or we are not able to differentiate between them by using the bar. So this is also a wrong answer. Use bar for quantitative values. So when we click on it, Tableau automatically creates bar for the quantitative value. So this is right answer. Use a maximum of 7 different shapes. This is wrong. We can use as many as shape we want in the Tableau. Okay. So the right answer is use shape for categorical values and use bar for quantitative value. That is option A and D. Next question is, you want to set up a custom color palettes which is available in every workbook. Where should you set it up? Options are marks card in the workbook, marks card in the server, preference.tps file in your Tableau desktop repository, preference.tps file on the Tableau server. Right answer is preference.tps file in your Tableau desktop repository. Okay, so this is how your Tableau desktop repository look like when you click on this preference.tps file. right click on it and open it in the notepad. Okay, so here you can add the custom color by using the hexa code. You can give the name of the color palettes and you can give the type. Type is basically like regular, sequential, diverging. You can give the name. Okay, so this is the file name that is present in your Tableau repository. Okay, so the right answer is C. Let's move to the next set. Next question is, if a field contains both positive and the negative values, drag to the color marks. What color palette we will get? Options are diverging color palette, sequential color palette, continuous color palette, and discrete palettes. Let's try it. Let's drag customer name and drag profit. Okay, and drag profit into color as well. As you can see, some of the values are positive and some of the values are negative. So how to check it? Which color palette is applied to it? So if the color palette has two value, that is one for the minus value and one for the plus value, this is called diverging, and that is automatically applied here to Tableau automatically detect the color palette for the values. So as you can see, this orange blue diverging color palette is applied to it. So if you click on it, we'll get the same color palette that is automatically applied to it. Okay, so the right answer is diverging color palette. That is our option A. Next question is, valid ways to itemize tooltip content in the Tableau. Select all apply. Options are from worksheet menu, from format menu, from mark card tooltip option, from analysis menu. Let's try it. This is like a similar question that we tried to bold the options in the tooltip. So let's try it as we already discussed. So let's say this tooltip is, so first one is we can click on the tooltip option, select it and click on this option and click on OK. Now you can see this is itemized. Second option is go to worksheet menu, go to tooltip and click on this and click on these options. Okay, and what are the two other options? That from the format menu and analysis menu. Let's try analysis menu. We don't have any options here, so this is wrong answer. And then from the format menu, go to font and go to tooltip, and here we can also apply. Okay, as you can see, this is changed to italic. Okay, so the right answer is A, B, and C. Next question is, default duration time for animation is 0.2 second, 0.3 second, 0.4 second, 0.5 second. So the right answer is 0.3 second. How to check it? Click on the format, go to animation. Okay, when you click on it, so by default time is it is showing 0.3 second. Okay, the right answer is B. Next question is, what are the true statements about animation? Option are, it can be turned on for specific sheet only. This is right answer. Sequential animation takes more time but makes complex changes clear by presenting them step by step. This is also right answer. It is possible to turn on animation for the entire workbook. This is also right answer. To know more about this, you can refer this article. I will provide the link in the description box. Okay, the right answer is ABC. Next question is, what does the marker slash icon do in the Tableau? So this is the marker icon. What is the use of this icon in the Tableau? Options are toggle highlight on and off, hide, clear, and clear values. So let's try it how to get this value. So if we remove this, let's clear this. Okay, drag category, drag profit, and drag category into color as well. Okay, so when you hover on this, you will get this option. So what this option will do is, when we click on this, it will only toggle on and off the highlighted values. Okay, so when we click on the office supply, it will just highlight the office supply in the sheet, and when we click on the furniture, it will highlight the furniture. Okay, the right answer is toggle highlight on and off. That is our option A. Next question is, can we copy the formatting of one worksheet to other worksheet? Yes or no? Right answer is yes. How to do it? We can right click on it and copy the formatting and create. Okay, and we can right click on it and paste formatting. Okay, so this is how we can copy the formatting. So the right answer is A. Let's move to the last set. Next question is, how to show summary of a view in the Tableau. Options are: click on the worksheet menu, show summary. Click on the analysis menu, show summary. Right click on the view name, show summary. Right click on the field, show summary. Let's try it. Let's say we have this view and we want to show its summary. So let's try it from the worksheet menu. When we click on show summary, you will get the summary of this, like sum of the profit, sum, average, mean, max, median, and count. Okay, so the right option is click on the worksheet menu and then show summary. Okay, that is our option A. Next question is, what is a tooltip in the Tableau? Options are: a view to related dimension together. This is wrong. Next option is a way to limit the data display in a chart or table. This is also wrong. This is the properties of filter. A way to provide additional information about data points in the visualization. This is the right option because tooltip is used to add additional information about a visualization. Okay, so the right answer is. Next question is, what is the purpose of marks card in the Tableau? Options are: to adjust the formatting of a chart or graph. This is wrong. We can do the formatting by using the format options. To display a list of available charts and graphs. This is wrong. This is the property of show me. To apply filters to a chart or graph. This is also wrong. This is the property of filter. To define the visual encoding of a chart or graph. This is right option. So the right answer is D. What is the difference between a workbook and a worksheet in the Tableau? Options are: a workbook contains multiple worksheets, while a worksheet contains a visualization. This is right option because a workbook is a combination of multiple worksheet, and a worksheet is basically when we create a single visualization. This is called worksheet. Okay. Other option, let's check. A workbook is used to create visualization, while a worksheet is used to connect data. So this is wrong. A workbook contains data sources while a worksheet contains visualization. This is also wrong because a workbook doesn't contains data sources. A workbook is published visualization while a worksheet is used to edit them. This is also wrong. So the right answer is only A. To know more about their differences, you can refer this article. You will get the idea of what is workbook, what is dashboard, what is story, what is worksheet. Okay. I will provide the link of this article in the description box. Next question is, what is the story in the Tableau? Options are: a story is a sheet that contains a sequence of worksheet or dashboard that works together to convey the information. The story can be used to show how facts are connected, provide context. So B option is wrong because stories are not show how the facts are connected. It is used to show the sequence of information that is used to convey the message. Okay, so the right answer is A. Next question is, what are the two methods you can use to change the font of a worksheet title? Options are: select the format on the menu and then select title and caption. Select the format on the menu, then select font. Double click the title in the particular view and use the dialog box. Right click the title in the view and then select format title. Let's try it. Let's try the first option. Click on the format. go to title and caption. From here, you can change the shading and the border, but you cannot change the font. So this is wrong. Second option is go to format, go to font, and then go to title. Here you can change the font of it. You can select any of the font you want. Now you can see the font is changed. So this is the right option. And third option is double click on it, and from here select it, and you can change it to different option and click on apply. Now you can see font is changed. And last option is right click on it and format title. This is also shows how to edit border and the shading. So this is also wrong answer. So the right answer is B and C. That's it for this video. Thank you so much guys. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.